Let's talk about biotechnology. First, we need to look at the ground principles for genetics, which is also called the science of genes. Those genes are segments of DNA and contain the information to build proteins. It is a bit like a biological instruction manual of us. You look the way you look because of your individual DNA. This principle is the same for every living organism. Genes are passed from parents to children through sexual reproduction. The child gets a combination of the genes from its parents. Now that we've got that out of the way, we can dive a little deeper into one use of biotechnology: therapeutic cloning. But beforehand, I'm going to write down 5 vocabularies. You can try to understand their meaning while watching the video. I will explain them at the end. Scientists take human embryos to use their stem cells for new medical treatments. Now, what does this mean? To put it simple, they take young, powerful cells and give them new instructions. Since those stem cells are very adaptable, you can feed them the DNA you want them to have, and they will change themselves like you told them to. These cells could be implanted into a patient's body to heal or prevent genetic diseases. The goal for the far future is to grow entire new organs for humans in the laboratory. A pro would be that the patient's immune system would recognize the cells as coming from the same body, which would prevent organ rejection. This topic is obviously highly controversial because human embryos are destroyed in the process. What are your thoughts on this kind of research? To finish things up, let's talk about the vocabulary from before. Therapeutic cloning describes the process of duplicating cells for medical treatment. Embryos are babies before they are developed. They are in a growing state which looks like this. We also call them embryos in German. Next up, we have stem cells. They are special because they can produce any other type of cell. Every part of you got made in a stem cell. Some bodies can cope with foreign organs. They react like the new organs are some kind of attack to the body and start fighting them. This is called organ rejection. And lastly, if something is controversial, it causes disagreement or discussion. In German, umstritten oder kontrovers. That's about it for this video. I hope you learned something new and have a nice day.